Okay, good morning. Today, a little solo day. Oops. Another day off. Just a small ride today. Small ride. Just along the Mole Station Road. Alright. Okay, we're gonna go to Mole Spring Station today. And not a long run. Okay, let's do this. Right. I'm very much straight on this road and I'll be there. Oh, how pretty these flowers are. Okay, let's do this. Woohoo! Slow going it is. Oh, bit of water. Alright, we got road tyres on here. Whoa. Oh, very interesting. Wow, very beautiful though. Oh, rock. Oh. Okay, I'll be uphill. Oh, very tricky. Slow going it is. Slow and steady wins the race. Okay, well worth a beer and ice cream after this. Wow. Nice forest. Okay. Oh. Nice big rut there. Momentum. Oh. Go to Himmy. You can do this. Oh my god. Oh. Very precarious. My section gets a bit rough. Okay. Nice and easy. Okay. That was a bit tough there. Okay, a bit rocky there. Whoa. Quite rocky here. Oh. She's powering through it. Oh. Go Hime. Go Heidi. I'm calling you Heidi. Taking this like a champ. Oof. Go straight. Oh, it's getting downhill now. Ooh. More puddle crossing. Nice and easy. It's not a race. Oh, there was another road. There was an easier road. Oh, will you look at that? Went on the hard one for no reason. Well, that was fun though. Very fun. Well worth it. Okay. We're heading that way. The road looks pretty easy. Nice and flat. Okay. Let's see this. Oh, it's not too deep. I'm just like. Okay, run it to the left side there. It's not too deep in there. Get your love. Come and get your love. Oh, there's a car there. Come and get your love. Oh, somebody down there. Hopefully it's not one of many gates. Made it here down on the Pig Trough Bridge thing. Came through Molesworth Road. It's a nice road. Well worth taking a ride down here. Well, look at this place. Very quiet, nothing around. Just a nice bridge over down there. Back there, there's the bridge. There's a toilet there if you need it. Better get going. There's this big bumblebee around here. Is attracted to my big orange jersey here. more wet. Oh. Well, GPS is telling me to go back that way, but that was a very gnarly road. It was fun, but I think I'm gonna take it easy on the way back. Alright, let's go. Thank you. Whoa. Thank you. Whoa, 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 whoa. And there's Hanmer Spring down there. Nearly there, just slow and easy. I fall into big rock. That's all I found you. No, someone lost their sweater. Whoa. Whoa, it's all downhill. Whoa, I hit that rock. I knew it. You look where you go. Bike's getting a good workout. Whoa. Back on tarmac, paved road. Alright, back. That was a fun ride. Very fun ride. Okay.